Today I'm going to be showing how to fix the unexpected kernel mode trap in Windows 10. I believe this might be an error that also presents itself in earlier versions of Windows as well. So if you're receiving this blue screen at death, this tutorial is going to be for you guys. And it should be pretty straightforward, I have to admit. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to the Start menu, and we're going to search up Control Panel. Should be listed as a desktop app in Windows 10. In earlier versions of Windows, it might not say desktop app. Actually, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. But just left click on that. So if your view by is set to category view, select System and Security. And then left click on the System button, should be the third category down. You want to left click on the Advanced System Settings button on the left side here. Then you want to left click on the Settings button underneath Startup and Recovery. Underneath Write Debugging Information, if it's set to Kernel Memory Dump, select the little drop down arrow on the right side. And now instead select Small Memory Dump. And then click on OK to save our changes here. Just to confirm, I'm going to go back underneath Settings once again. And we see that our setting has been saved here. So once you're done doing that, you can close out of everything and hopefully your blue screen of death should be resolved. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.